room who we're going to recognize. So I think we have some extra guests. What?
Yeah, we do have some extra guests in
Maybe
here.
back here.
So guess who our Daisy Award winner is? So come on over. So Brandi, we'll have you come on over, and I'm going to try to read this story without crying, and it's not going to be easy for me.
Why don't you
So
come over?
we do have tissues that we should use. So this is the story that Brandi's patient sent to us. I was in a rollover accident, but I was able to crawl out of the vehicle. I had blood on my face and was disoriented. I remember looking up and seeing people just staring at me. The next thing I heard was a voice yelling, "I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm a nurse, I will help you." I looked up to see a small gal jumping over snowbanks. She came up and immediately started talking very calmly to me. She held my C-spine and talked very gently. I immediately relaxed and felt safe. I would like to commend this nurse. She went above the call of duty. She helped me at the scene of the accident and was also my nurse at the hospital. I call her my angel. I would like her to be recognized for her actions. I feel she saved my life, and I am truly grateful to have met her. Very, very great. Brandi, what a great story, and what a great role model for all the rest of us. So thank you so much for really representing the best of what nursing has to offer.
The truck made a 90 and went in the ditch at 60 miles an hour. And there's a berm, and it went airborne, and it come down the front fender, and went 10 feet in the air, and it did it 3 times, ended up on its roof. The accident happened. I was on my knees in the truck, looking for a way out. I said, I can't go out that way. I said, oh, as I laid my back, she was going by, she said, she saw me crawling out of the truck on my back, so she knew it just had happened. I got blood running down my face, and she's basically tried to shoot deep snow down there, and she says, you know, she stayed with me, she talked to me, and she's the one who yelled out, somebody call 911 now. That's an angel, thank you, Penny.
Thank you. Okay, nursing is a gentle art of healing that you share. It's about understanding and patience that you...
Comment, subscribe.